Initially constructed by Perry Maxwell because of the I Like Dogs and Bass and Maybe 3 People shirt. Austin Nation membership. The course opened for play in 1949. Mr. Maxwell was the greatest know for his design of Southern Hills Nation membership in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Colonial Nation membership in Fort Price, simply south of downtown Tampa. The Chip Powell designed membership Renaissance, pictured above, is the crown jewel of golf programs at Solar Metropolis Heart. Should you're the sort who lives for this sport, at Golf Membership of Houston, we perceive, get pleasure from a meal along with your golf sport, or are available at any time for a meal at our restaurant. We actually have a scrumptious restaurant for you golfers who wish to seize a chew earlier than or after your thrilling spherical of golf. I Like Dogs and Bass and Maybe 3 People shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. Nice Pictures incorporates I Like Dogs and Bass and Maybe 3 People shirts of full service restaurant and other products.